Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to add custom font in Microsoft Word. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. So I'm going to use Chrome browser. Then having opened up your browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the search engine right here. What you need to do is to simply type in the font, then press enter. And it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the first result right here. So you'll simply click on that, and it takes you to the official web page of font.com. Then you can simply scroll down and download any type of font you want. There are so many ways to download fonts on this site. You can also come to the top right here and click on any of the name right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to get a modern font. I'm going to click on modern. Then we can scroll down and see different types of modern fonts right here. Just like so. So the more you scroll down, the more font is going to load up, as you can see right here. Okay, then you can also click on next right here. Click on next to move to the next paragraph. There are lots of fonts right here that you can simply download once you see anyone you like. Let's say, for instance, I want to download this particular one slice. So what you need to do is to simply come down right here, click on download, and then in a few seconds, it has successfully downloaded. Next thing we want to do is to simply minimize our browser. Then we have to open up our download folder. So I'm going to simply click on a folder right here. Then I will simply navigate to my download folder. Here we go. So we have the font right here. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to take this particular zip of the font file into another folder. So I have a font folder right here. What I'm going to do is to simply open up my font folder. So I'm going to drag the font folder for one side. Next thing I'm going to do is to select the font zip folder. Then I will drag it to this particular font folder. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to come to my font folder file right here. I will right click on the font zip folder. Then I'll make sure I click on extract here. And in a few seconds, the whole thing is going to be extracted. Now, what I'm going to do here is to simply click on Get Commercial License, and at the same time, I'll press Shift key and select this. I'll press Shift key and Delete key, and to delete that. Next thing I want to do here is to simply click on the font. What we need in the file is this particular one right here, Open Type Font File. What we need to do here is to simply double click on it, and this is going to pop up. So this is the preview of the font. Next thing we want to do is to simply hit on install right here. So I'm going to simply click on install. So it's going to prepare the installation, and it has been successfully installed on our PC. Next thing we want to do is to open up our MS Word and then see how we can use the font in our MS Word. So here we go. So this is my MS Word right here. I'm going to simply open it up straight. After you open up my MS Word, next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on blank document. Then it's open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply make some type. So I'm going to type the name of my school, just like so. Now, I want to apply the font into this particular document. What I need to do is to simply press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I'll come to the font right here. So I have to click on here. Then what I need to do here is to simply click on here and then look for the font that was just installed into the PC. So the name of the font is Slice. So I'm going to simply type in the name of the font, One Slice. Or I click on here and look for it. One Slice. Here we go. So you can see the font right here. I'm going to simply select it. Then I can come here and increase the font size. So I can increase it more, just like so, and then we have it right here successful. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add fonts into MS Word without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.